Hi sweet friends, welcome back to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful, easy, and inexpensive fall pumpkin centerpiece. This is my third fall DIY for 2023, so if you haven't seen the other two, I will link them below in the description box for you. But this one's real simple to make, and I show you exactly how to do it. So first you're going to need a piece of round foam, and this large round foam came from Walmart. You're going to need some smaller foam. It came from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some fall floral picks. Those all came from Dollar Tree. Then I have a few, very few that I did use that came from Hobby Lobby. First, we're going to start out with the large piece of green foam from Walmart, and we're going to take our Dollar Tree hydrangeas, cut them into shorter pieces, and we're going to space them around the outer edge of the foam. If you want to add a little hot glue to the end of the pick before you push it into the foam, you can. I don't usually because I like to reuse my picks, but it might stay just a little better if you add a little hot glue before you push it into the foam. So I am just spacing mine out, and these pretty hydrangeas all came from Dollar Tree. When I am making a floral arrangement or a centerpiece, I like to do a pattern. So for this, I'm doing a pattern around the outer edge, and you'll see in just a little bit, I show you step by step how I do it. So usually what I do on the left side, I do on the right side. What I do on the front, I do on the back. So I always try to do a pattern, and remember, save a spot for your smaller piece of round foam for the center. Now if you don't want to use a pumpkin in the center, you could use a battery powered LED candle. That would be beautiful also. So now I'm taking the other color of hydrangeas from Dollar Tree and placing them kind of at an angle on top on the edge of the round green foam, filling in between the green hydrangeas. You could also cover the green foam with some moss before you get started if you're worrying about the foam showing. But here's how it looks, and I wish I had a couple more of the Dollar Tree hydrangea picks. I didn't quite have enough to go all the way around, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Now I'm adding a couple picks that I believe came from Hobby Lobby in the fall decor section. Just cut them into shorter pieces, one on the left side, one on the right side. And I just try to do a pattern the best I can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I like for it to be close. Now I'm taking some Dollar Tree fall leaves, cutting them into shorter pieces, and I'm just going to add them and do a pattern with them too. This centerpiece would be beautiful on a dining room table, a coffee table, an entry table, just about anywhere you want to put it, and you do not have to elevate it with a candle holder or anything. You can just leave it flat. I did use one that I picked up last fall at Dollar General to give mine some height, but that's totally optional. I just love the way the colors are coming together in this, and you don't have to spend a lot. Right now, Dollar Tree has out their fall floral picks, so make sure you check Dollar Tree and see what they have in new for fall. Mine doesn't have anything out except for the fall floral picks right now. Just remember, when you're choosing your flowers, you want some different colors that work well together, some different textures, some different sizes, and some different shapes. Look how those berries stand out, and then just the fall colors of the leaves, and then the hydrangea colors. So try to find colors that work well together. I like to, when I'm in the store, just kind of hold the flower picks in my hand and just add to my bouquet and see what I like and see what I don't like. That's the way I like to do it when I'm shopping. These pretty sunflower bush and the other one are also from Dollar Tree. I just picked them up, and I'm going to cut them into shorter pieces. I am going to start adding these Dollar Tree flowers to the smaller disc of foam. I am just going to hot glue the foam onto the larger round foam. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. I like to use Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I have mine on the low temp setting. So we're just going to place our smaller disc of foam right in the center, let it have time to dry, and then I wish I'd had a couple more of the hydrangea picks to fill in just around the edge of the white foam, but I found these pretty fern picks at Dollar Tree, and I just love the way they're wispy and kind of drape and hang down, especially when I put the arrangement up on the candle holder. So just remember to do a pattern and try to space yours out. And then I chose a pretty pumpkin that I got on sale at Hobby Lobby for 40% off to put in the center, but a LED battery powered candle would be beautiful too, especially if it has a timer, or maybe a little scarecrow or something cute would sit fine in the center. My pumpkin was almost too big for this arrangement, but I made it work and I think it looks very pretty. So you'll have to let me know what you think. And then I am taking my Dollar General candle holder and just putting the arrangement on top of it. And I think I like the way it looks, but it would be beautiful without the candle holder also. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this fall centerpiece. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, decorating, shopping hauls, all that kind of fun stuff. So I would love to have you as a subscriber, and if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys that always leave the sweetest comments on my tutorials and my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.